Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm sharing this delicious grandma's recipe black soup. The typical village one. Eh? So these are the leaves I'm going to be using, but grandma used the fresh leaves, and if you have access to fresh, use fresh ones as well. So I'm using oziza, bitter leaf, scent leaf, iyege, ebalang hair. So I'm gonna mix it all together. I don't know their names in English, sorry. Mix it all together and I'm gonna be blending, and that is it. So I'm blending crayfish as well. That's the crayfish. And I'm going to be using bushmeat, grass cutter, dry catfish, and okporoko. That's the head of the stockfish. I'm going to be adding momo to it, the cow skin, completely optional, and I'm adding snail. I'm adding shaki as well, the tribe, and I'm going to be using canned banga. So now we're going to start. That is my stockfish. Put it in a pot, add water, bring it to a boil to wash it and make it soft a bit. So my stockfish is ready. Bring it out. Throw that water away. I'm not going to be needing that water. And now I'm going to be diluting my banga with hot water. If you have access to fresh banga, use fresh banga. My grandma used fresh banga for this soup. And in my pot is the okporoko head. Just added the snail and the grass cutter. That's the shaki. I told you shaki is completely optional. I like shaki in my soup and I like momo in my soup as well. That's why I'm adding shaki and momo. And we're not going to be using Maggi for this soup. We are only using native Maggi. Owo, Ivarie. Added a little bit of onions, little bit of salt. Pour in the crayfish. Add in the owu, that is the native Maggi. We call it owu. We call it ugbore as well. The Beninese call it evarie. So pour in the banga. This banga is not enough, so I'm going to add another can to it. So I'm going to repeat the same. Dilute it with hot water. Pour it. Add grounded chili pepper. Put it together. Everything's just gonna cook together. Cook it for 20 minutes. You have to open your pot in the cooking process and put it together so that your banga don't foam out. The soup don't foam out because of the banga. You have to keep stirring. Taste for seasoning. Yummy leke. So my soup has been cooking now for 25 minutes. Just poured in the blended leaf. This soup is medicinal. My daughters has cold, so I decided to just cook this soup for them, and they enjoyed it. So I put the soup together, add my fish. That's the dry catfish. So my food is almost ready. My soup is almost ready. Cook it together. 10 minutes is ready. When you see the oil coming out of your soup, then you know it's ready. That is it. And I hope you guys will try this. No Maggi, oh, no Maggi. No Maggi. It's only a varie gbore. That is it. This soup, I'm just going to drink this soup like that. You can enjoy this with any swallow of your choice. Don't forget to share and like. Love you guys. See you in my next one. Subscribe. Bye.